Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Wefwafwa Andrew, and if it is your first time here, please consider subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button, like and share this video with all the people you care about. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch our video, and let me know where you are watching from. And thank you, by the way, for supporting our work through Patreon, through YouTube channel membership, through Sendwave, Western Union, World Remit, and MoneyGram. Thank you very much for making a difference in Uganda. Now, in this video, last time, remember in the first video, I told you that in this video I was going to discuss some of the challenges that the old lady was facing, and one of them, she told us that she was having a challenge of monitoring her blood sugar because she didn't have a glucometer, and the one that was at the facility, which is near, was also spoiled. So we had to buy her a new glucometer that she was going to use to monitor her blood sugar, and in this video we were teaching her how to use it. She also told us that she has a challenge of measuring the food she should eat. So we taught her about the diabetic diet using the plate method in the previous video. If you have not yet watched it, I'll leave a link for that video such that you go and check on it. She also told us she has a problem of getting medicine. Sometimes she goes to the government facility and she finds when the medicine are out of stock. In fact, the time I found her, I found when she had taken like around 5 days without medicine because when she went to the government facility, it was out of stock. So sometimes we shall be buying for her some medicine that will keep her, like that will sustain her for some days when she doesn't find the medicine at the health facility. As you all know, monitoring of blood sugar and that they are very important. That's why we labored to make sure that she understands how to use a glucometer because we're going to leave it with her. Now, after that, we also went ahead to plant a seedling in this place because, as you all know, that plays a very big role in the management of diabetes mellitus. So, the people you're seeing, that man is the husband, and that lady is the grand daughter. Come on, hey. So on that day, we planted the orange and the avocado seedling. We just do this to encourage people to plant these seedlings on large scale. But in future, we are having a plan of giving out as many seedlings as possible. So for now, the seedlings that we give, we just buy, but we are having a plan of getting our own piece of land in the nearby future, such that we shall be having those seedlings on large scale, and we shall be able to give them out to very many people. And God willing, we may also have our own facility on that land where people will be coming to get knowledge about different diseases and where we shall be managing them as well. So just put us in prayers and just continue supporting us. I know everything will be possible. I love you all. Enjoy the video. That is Paul, who was helping to plant the seedling with the family members there. Yeah, so that's all we did on that day, my dear friends. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. Hello guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. We've come to the end of this video. We've been able to do a lot of things here. Now I request you to do one thing. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like and share this video with all the people you care about. I love you all. See you. Bye. I'm going out into the world, taking hope to the hopeless and the needy. God will guide me unto the end. If you don't mind, please come and go with me. I'm going out into the world, taking hope to the hopeless and the needy. God will guide me unto the end. If you don't mind, please come and go with me. There in the darkness where I go, it's overwhelming. Whatever I see, hearts filled with sorrow, eyes full of tears. Please God, use me as I am to heal the pains and bring hope to the world. I'm going